Hello traders, today is October 18th, 2022. It's a Tuesday. What you're seeing here are two charts, but using the same software. It's the Trade Scalper software on two different charts. On the right side is a 1-minute chart, and on the left side is a Renko chart, a 10 Renko chart. So I've gotten a lot of questions on what type of charts can we use with the Trade Scalper software, and you can use tick charts, volume charts, Renko charts, as well as minute charts, which is what I'm using here primarily. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So the idea here is to see if we have, as you see, a short 37.61. I want to go short. I want to sell the market at this price, 37.61. But if the 10 Renko chart gives us a short prior to that, or even if it gives me a long, which is conflicting, then I'm going to not take the trade. So I'm looking for either another short on the Renko chart and then just jump in, or I'll just take the 1 minute. It's the only signal I have here at the moment, 37.61. So that's what I'm going to do. It would be nice to see, though, on the Renko chart also coinciding to go short. So I'm going to go short here at 37.61. Now I want a 2-point profit target, which is 8 ticks, and that would be about $100 per contract. So if you have one contract, it's $100. If you have two contracts, it's $200. If you have 5 contracts, it would be $500. And so this happened faster than I anticipated. Let me just show you here. The entry at 37.61, I got filled at 37.60.50, and on the Renko chart as well, the same thing. So you can see that it was a very fast trade to go short on this Trade Scalper signal. Now if you're using other methods, your own methods to filter trades, that's great. If you have the Atlas line, or if you're part of the mentorship program, you have all the software in one package. So if you're interested in the Trade Scalper or the accelerated mentorship with lifetime licenses, give us a call. Let's make sure that the Trade Scalper or whatever type of trading that you're interested in, especially price action, is right for you. My name is John Paul, and I'll see everyone at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.